Floods in southern Pakistan forced thousands of residents in Sindh to flee their homes and seek shelter in makeshift huts on dry ground. More than 300,000 people were left homeless, and frustrations with the slow response from the government are running high. A group of more than 100 residents from Umarkot have set up makeshift huts in Tandu Alayar.
बारिश भी मतलब कि बहुत थी, ये मतलब कि और भी कानूनियों को पानी उधर पहुंच गया, तो हमारे घर मतलब कि तकरीबन ये कुछ मतलब कि थोड़ा सा मतलब कि जो है हमारे पास बकाया सब कुछ उधर ही मतलब कि छोड़ के आ गए, और बच्चे बचाए हैं हमने, और 7-8-10 दिन हो गए इधर कोई भी नहीं आ सका, ना पुलिस में आया, ना कोई फौज का आदमी आया, ना कोई बड़ा ऐसा कोई आया। और लोगों को राशन भी मिल रहे हैं, सब कुछ मिल रहे हैं, इमदादें मिल रहे हैं, हमारे को कुछ नहीं मिला। जो रात का खाना मिलता है तो दिन का भी नहीं है, जो दिन का होता है तो रात का नहीं है।
Street entertainer Jahan Zaib, whose livelihood depends on his monkey and goat show, said his options are running out.
उमरकोट से हम आ रहे थे, यहाँ पे आए, पानी की वजह से मेरी अम्मी को फालिज हो गया, फालिज से इधर आके भूखे मर गए, जानवर मेरा मर गया, बकरा भी मर गया। अभी कहाँ से जाए, ना पैसे ना कुछ भी नहीं है, बंदर कहाँ से खरीदे साहब, हमारी गरीब कोई मदद ही नहीं करते कोई लोग।
This year's flash floods have already wreaked havoc in Pakistan, a country where thousands of IDPs from last year's floods were yet to settle down. Massive flooding last year killed over 2,000 people and left 11 million homeless in one of Pakistan's worst natural disasters.
Let's now watch another report who assess the damage done by the recent flooding.
Recent rains and floods have affected at least 5.3 million people from 23 districts of Sindh. Worst hit areas are Hyderabad, Badin, Tandu Alayar, Dadu, Tandu Muhammad Khan, Mirpur Khas and Thatta. At least 1.2 million houses have been swept away, while 4.5 million acres of agricultural land has been inundated. Number of killed has been increased to more than 200. In Badin, at least 6,395 villages have been affected. 318 villages have been affected in Hyderabad, while 630 villages in Thatta, 1,254 villages in Tandu Alayar and 5,770 villages in Mirpur Khas have been affected by monsoon rains and floods. More than 900,000 people have been affected in Khairpur, and approximately 105 school buildings and 12,000 houses have been damaged. To help the flood affected, international aid has also started pouring in, as China has announced $4.7 million, while Iran will donate $100 million.